morning. My name is Shekhar Ray, Senior Physics Faculty. Today we are going to discuss about JEE mains problems based on oblique projectile motion. Based on oblique projectile motion. So here questions is given. First question: the trajectory of a projectile near the surface of it is given as y is equal to x minus 9x squared. If it were launched at an angle theta naught with the speed v naught, then g is equal to 10 meter per second. So this question appeared in JEE Mains 2019. So your answers is given theta naught is equal to cos inverse of 2 by root 2 and v naught is equal to 3 upon 5 meter per second. So second answer, second answer theta naught is equal to cos inverse 2 upon root 5 and v naught is equal to 3 upon 5 meter per second. Third answer, theta naught is equal to cos inverse 1 upon root 5 and v naught is equal to 5 upon 3 meter per second. Fourth answer, theta naught is equal to sin inverse 2 upon root 5 and v naught is equal to 3 upon 5 meter per second. So here first of all we will write given. So what is the given? G value is given. G is equal to 10 meter per second. So next given trajectory equation. Like given trajectory equation. Equation is y is equal to x minus 9x squared. Let be equation 1. So this equation comparison with two standard equation, we know that y is equal to tan theta, but here theta is given in terms of theta naught. X, like x square coefficient, we know that g by 2u square. Here instead of u, v naught is given. Like this is will consider v naught square cos square theta naught x square. We are asking angle of projection into initial speed. So these are comparison. Now from equation 1 and 2. From equation 1 and equation 2. So x coefficient theta naught. Here x coefficient tan theta naught. Here given equation x coefficient 2. So that means these are comparison. These coefficients, that means tan theta naught is equal to tan theta naught is equal to here x square, now comparison x square coefficients. G by 2 v naught square cos square theta naught is equal to 9. Theta naught is equal to 9. Here angle in terms of cos or sine. Cos or sine. So from given relation tan theta, we know that tan theta. From this relation, we know that tan theta is equal. Tan theta means theta naught is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. According to Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse will get root 5. So from this triangle, tan theta naught is equal to, at the same time, sin theta naught is equal opposite by hypotenuse. Next, cos theta naught is equal adjacent by hypotenuse. Root 5. Okay, so theta naught value may be cos or in terms of cos or in terms of sin. After calculating V naught value, so which is suitable answer, we are selected. So now this equation, so in this equation, G value is given 10 to V naught square cos square theta, cos square theta means cos theta is equal to 1 by root 2. So that means 1 by root 5 whole square is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. Is equal to 9. So this value, so our requirement will be V naught square. So like here, numerator 10, denominator 5, that means 5 by V naught square, 1 by root 5 whole square. That is, we have to write 1 by 5, fraction by fraction. That means 5 by 1 is equal to 9. So V naught square is equal. V naught square is equal to 25 by 9. V naught is equal to 5 by 3 meter s power minus 1. So here V naught value 5 by 3 meter per 5 by 3 meter per second. Yes, sine form. Sine form. Sine is not possible. Sine is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. Under that means first answer is wrong. What is the reason? So theta V naught value, okay, this one. But sine theta is equal to sine inverse of 1 by root 5. So from this equation, theta naught is equal to sine theta naught is equal to how much? Sine inverse of 2 by root 5. So like this is in terms of cos. This is also not get or at the same time 3 by 5. So next to third one, answer V naught 5 by 3 and theta naught is equal to cos inverse. From this equation, theta naught is equal cos inverse of 1 upon root 5. So the main answer is correct on this one. Okay, first answer is correct. So from this exam, which is our correct answer? First one is sorry, third answer is correct answer. Okay, so given first of all, given data we will write G is equal to this is given trajectory equation, but we know that trajectory equation this is. So comparison coefficients after solving we get this answer. Next second problem. Next second problem. Two particles are projected from the same point with the same speed u, such that they have same range or but different maximum heights h1, h2. Which of the following is correct? Answers: r square is equal to 4 h1 h2. Second one, r square is equal to 16 h1 h2. Next to third one, r square is equal to 2 h1 h2. Next to fourth one, r square is equal to h1 h2. Here, what is the given condition? Two particles projected same initial speed u. If the range are same, generally we know that range is horizontal maximum horizontal distance covered by the projectile is known as range. So here range is same. Range is same means that angles are complementary. Range is only possible same in case of complementary angles. Now given condition, if range is same, that is given angles are complementary angles. For complementary angles, like theta one angle that complementary theta 2 that equal to always 90 degrees. So the sum of the complementary angles always equal to 90 degrees. So here the 90 degree complementary angles, let theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to 90 minus theta. Theta 1 is equal to theta 2 is equal to 90 minus theta. This is one complementary angles. Next one, theta 2 is equal to 90 minus theta. So theta 1 plus theta 2 that is given the 90 degrees. For complementary angles, the sum of complementary angles is equal to 90 degrees. Or you should remember, these are also complementary angles. One angle 45 minus theta, second angle 45 plus theta. These are also complementary angles. These are also complementary angles. So in this case, also range is same. So here, what is asking the relation between range square into h1. Now one body projected, theta. Remaining body projected, 90 minus theta. One body projected theta, remaining body projected 90 minus theta. So one condition range like this, next the second one like this. Here h1, we know that maximum height. So h is equal to u square sin square theta by 2. H is equal to u square sin square theta by 2. For angle, theta 1 is equal to theta is h1. So that means h1 is equal u square sin square theta means theta only by 2. Let me equation 1. For angle, theta 2 is equal to 90 minus theta. This is height h2. So h2 is also same thing, 2 sin square. Here theta means theta 90 minus theta by 2g. h2 is equal u square as is and 2g as is. Here sin 90 minus theta, that is first coordinate. So first coordinate sin becomes to cos, that equal to cos square theta. So here h1 not equal to h2, but r1 is equal to r2. Range is same, already mentioned, no need of finding. R1 is equal to R2. So here the relation between given answers, R is equal to h1, h2. And again, these are multiplying on both sides. Now equation 1 into equation 2 on both sides. So left side equation 1 h1, equation 2 h2, So right side equation 1 h1 u square sin square theta by 2z. Second equation u square cos square theta by 2z. Cos square theta by 2z. So this is converted to range form. So this equation multiplying and dividing with 4 by 4. 4 by 4. So like this is we have to write u square 2z. Here 4 into 4, 2. 1, 2, we have to write here sin square theta. Sin theta, like here cos square theta. Cos theta. Next in this equation, u square 1, 2 we have to write here. Next 2 remaining. 2, 1 sin theta here. Next cos theta by 2z, remaining by 4. 4. So that means this value we have to write u square 2 sin theta cos theta value how much? Sin theta. So that means u square sin 2 theta by g. Next to this value u square sin 2 theta by g. So here 1 by 2, 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 4, 16. 1 by 16. So we know that u square sin 2 theta by g value is range. But R is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. So this is R, this is R. This is R, this is R. So therefore, H1, H2 is equal. So this value will consider R, this value will consider R. That means R square by 16. Therefore, R square is equal. R square is equal 16 into H1, H2. 16 into H1, H2. Here, which is the correct relation? Second one. So this is correct answer. And that means range is independent of complementary angle. In all complementary angles, range is same. But maximum heights are different. Maximum heights are different. Complementary angles, how can you should remember that is always the sum of the complementary angles equal to 90 degrees. One angle theta, remaining angle 90 minus theta. Theta plus 90 minus theta, that is gives the 90 degrees. One angle 45 minus theta, 45 plus theta. So these also are adding after that is the 90 degrees. For complementary angles, the range is same. That is R1 equal to R2. R1 is to R2 is equal to 1 is to 1. But range are different. Range are different.